Welcome to Programming ABC, C Programming video nong 7. In my 6th video, I will show how to add text entry. This interface, text entry. In this video, I will show how to create radio button with toggle function. Let's start. Whole program code. Now I will create radio button with toggle function gtk widget star radio 1 to radio button star radio 2 semicolon. To make this toggle, you need gsli list star group semicolon. After entry, make space radio and radio button radio 1 equal gtk radio button new with label. Create radio button gtk radio button new with label, first bracket, group and char constant gsar group. First radio button group, null group, no group, and constant gsar ml. Now I create group list gs list group, make group group equal gtk radio button button get group, first bracket, gtk radio gtk radio button, first bracket, object first radio button radio 1 first radio button group null, but when I create group, call this first radio button, then I create second radio button, radio button 2, label and label as female. Now put this radio button with fixed container, copy, radio 1 x position 200 and y position last 200 230 radio 2 radio 2 x position 270 and y position same 230 vertical line, same vertical line. Now run. Sorry, I get a mistake. Second radio button not null, make it group GROU group. Now run. Male female, select male female. When I select male, then unselect female automatically. Toggle function. Now I make it more complex. Male select. For this GTK entry, GTK ENTRY entry set text GTK ENTR GTK entry txt entry and comma male. Default select male when form start up. Male select. Now I create two radio button, click check event. When click male or female, same line radio button, radio radio 1 and next radio radio 2. Click event male SELECT male select and radio button 2 FEMALE female SELECT female select. Now I have to create this two event. Control C, paste male SELECT male select FEMALE female SELECT female select radio button 1 and radio button 2. Make event function, remove semicolon and next line add to second bracket, male select, and now female select, copy and paste, remove semicolon and make second bracket. Now entry, copy this line, male select, one click male select or radio button 1, then GTK entry set text male, and when select radio button 2, GTK entry set text FEMALE female. Now run, male female, since entry text male female, and since this level also male female, it's working. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share.